Hi, in this video we're going through how to add a category to your WordPress website. My name's Dan and this is WP Update. Welcome, my name's Dan and I'm a senior software engineer and full stack WordPress developer with WP Update. In this video we're going through how to add a brand new category to your WordPress website. So let's start by heading to the dashboard. So up the top into WP-admin, there we go. And if you don't know how to get into your dashboard, that's okay. There's a link in the description below to a video which will take you through it. We want to head to posts. Now we want to mouse over, not click, mouse over, and then to categories. Now, if you can't see this, it means your account doesn't have the necessary permissions to do that, in which case you'll need to contact your website administrator and they'll be able to hook you up with that. So mouse over posts, click on categories, and that will take you through to the list of categories. And what we're going to do is in here, we're going to put in update lessons. Now this can be anything using pretty much any characters. You can put spaces in, that's fine. Just try to avoid crazy special characters if you can. We can optionally put a slug in here, but if you don't, that's okay. WordPress will slugify this, so they'll drop that into lowercase and then put hyphens in instead of spaces. But for this exercise, we're just going to manually assign that. You can optionally as well add a parent category, which will make this a subcategory, which we will do. Let's pop that into tech. And this theme also allows you to assign colors. We're not going to worry about that. You can optionally put a description in as well, which we're not going to worry about, but that will appear in most themes on the category page. Click Add New Category. And you can see there, Update Lessons is now under Tech. If we hadn't set Tech as the top, it would be another one. And we'll just hit Add New, and you can see that has created that as a top level. So we'll just delete that for the moment. We don't need it. And there we go. That is done. So thanks very much for watching. Check out the videos on the left for some more tips. Or if you're new to the channel, click that subscribe and that notification button. It really helps us out. Stay safe, wash your hands, and we'll see you in the next video.